Linking a bank account to Casting Vibe is a straightforward process that allows for seamless transactions. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your Casting Vibe account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Escrow to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the payment settings, look for an option that says Link Bank Account or similar. Click on this option to start the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that all details are entered accurately to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Link button to complete the process. You may receive a confirmation message once your bank account is successfully linked. Now you are ready to use your bank account with Casting Vibe. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section or customer support for assistance.